Hey, welcome to the I.K.P Paintworks YouTube channel.
We're
all done with Frank's truck, so we're gonna give it back to him. You ready?
Super excited.
Let's go. It's a super exciting day. Come on, Taylor.
Come on, Slaps.
Come on, Taylor. Let's get the whole I.K.P new old school crew.
What happened?
Just look under the hood, see if you're happy, make sure you're good with everything. Make sure it fits right. No, just want it to look right for you.
What the?
Does it look good under here?
What did you do? All right, as you guys can see, we got some parts hanging up on the rack behind me. These are actually for Preston's square body. Jason got all this stuff sandblasted, then DA'd and cleaned and ready for some epoxy primer. So I'm gonna go out there and grab that stuff, come back in and coat this. Meanwhile, he's got the cab just about prepped. That'll be going in here next. We gotta get epoxy primer on that firewall before we can do the bodywork. And then we'll just move on to the next job. We got a lot going on. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Let's get this party started. it does.
Does it look good under here?
What did you do?
Well, I thought you did that.
What is this?
Well, it's going to SEMA. Isn't it going to SEMA?
Oh, sweet. We're going to SEMA?
Yeah, we're going to SEMA.
Hey, guys. Hey, we're going to SEMA.
These are all your sponsors, dude.
Wow, this is pretty sweet.
We even got Ford to sponsor it.
This sticker's dangerous
Dang.
and inconvenient, but more I do love John Watson.
Yeah, this is pretty sweet, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, we're just going to get the engine out of the way, and then we'll be ready to go to SEMA.
How many hours was this?
Oh, we did this for free.
Frank, how do you feel about all your sponsors?
Frank?
I'm pretty stoked about my sponsors.
We just want to know if Taylor is on or off right now.
Taylor, are you on or off?
I'm always on.
He's always on.
What, on rest? On sick leave?
Look at that.
Look, I taped off an area for
Dylan?
you. I taped off an area and I cleaned it right here. So that
Thank
way
you.
Can see. Yeah, I may have touched it.
Shit. I'm never gonna be able to see out of this unless you clean that good.
Well, I did clean it. Well, now you're cleaning past where I cleaned, then that's not cool.
So if you happen to be one of these companies and you really would like to sponsor this truck, wow. How much time? How much time?
I mean, we didn't even go to lunch, dude.
You guys didn't even go to lunch yet? This is it?
This is it. Because we got a package for you guys. No, you didn't. No, you don't. It was on our fan.
Oh yeah, we do got a package for you. Oh yeah, we do.
I saw you.
Oh yeah.
You get it.
Open the hood. Let's get a look under here. Is it latched?
Oh, I think you need air in your tires, too.
Dang, look at that, guys.
One of the best for Daddy Candy.
Daddy candy. Okay, so we got Preston's square body C10 in the booth. We've got about 90% prepped for epoxy primer. As soon as my son gets here, he'll get this thing finished up and cleaned up and final masked, and then we'll get some epoxy on the firewall. We've already got the fenders in epoxy, so once this part is done, the next stage for this will be starting bodywork on the firewall and then making sure the fenders don't need any bodywork as well. Everything else got primed with epoxy yesterday. So this is the last step before we can actually start with the next step. So we'll get this thing knocked out here before too long and be on to the next job. All right, Jason got it all prepped, cleaned, masked, and ready for epoxy primer. So I'm gonna step out of the way and And here he is right now. He's going to lay it down. Alrighty, you got the all metal direct tailgate on, the body line's cut in, the sheet metal done underneath the hood of my dually. Super pumped with how this thing came out. Chris over at Tray 5 did a fantastic job on this. It's exactly what I wanted. He absolutely nailed it. Next week I'll get this stuff taken apart, get it all prepped for epoxy primer, get it epoxy primed, then we'll get it all refit in here, and then see what kind of bodywork we got to do to this stuff to get it painted. Let's take a walk inside here and see what the guys got going on in the bodywork area. Okay, let's talk about Larry's truck here. So as you can see, the tailgate's back on. Today and yesterday, all the inside of this all got blocked out from 180 grit all the way up to 400 grit. That's basically the process we're gonna be doing on the entire truck. So everything you see here will get guy coated like it is on the bed sides and the rest of the truck. Then it'll get all blocked out. Every line mast, every angle mast, everything blocked, everything reverse mast, everything reverse blocked. Once that's done, it'll get re-guy coated again. Then all that same process all the way through with 320 grit sandpaper. Then after that process, it'll get guy coated again, and then the same process all the way through the entire truck with 400 grit. Once it's in 400 grit, we'll get it cleaned up. We'll go around and we'll spot prime any spots on the truck that we have breakthroughs or that we don't like. We needed to fix something on them, and then we can finalize this thing and have it ready for paint. I'm hoping that's going to be sometime in the next few weeks, 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We'll have this thing painted. So that's our goal with this one here. Let's take a walk over here and look at Steven's truck. So Steven's truck's coming along pretty good. We are still in the glaze coat stage, panel to panel, section to section. Taylor's been going around skimming everything with glaze and then final blocking with 80 grit before he puts the hood on, like I mentioned earlier in the last video. Looks like he's still got some of the back of the cab to do, around both the doors. Obviously the top of the firewall still needs to be done. Top of this door needs to be done. So he's still got some work ahead of him yet. I would hope that sometime next week, maybe, we'll have this thing pretty tuned up and ready for the hood to go on it. But there's no telling until we actually get to that point. Let's take a look over here at Victor's truck. Okay, so we got Victor's truck here, all back together after metalwork and epoxy prime. Dylan has already started on the bodywork. First things first, reinforced filler over all the welds, all the edges, all the gaps, making sure everything is solid and the majority of the lows are filled with that first. Then he will switch over to 3M Platinum and start skimming and floating and blocking every single panel until our panel match is perfect and everything looks super straight. Then from there, he would do the same thing that Taylor's doing over here on the 6400 behind you, which is then he'll start glazing it and finalizing it and getting it ready for polyester primer. We still have quite a ways to go before that happens, but I'm definitely pleased with this week's progress on this truck, and next week it should look even better. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week on the next video.